Hey there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Shuchi, your trainer. Not trainer, like, we could be friends, so that we can learn from each other. We will learn together. Okay. Let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Sheets.
Open your browser first. Search Google Sheet. Google Sheets is free spreadsheet software that you can use to get insight from your data. Today we are going to start the absolute basics. On the up, you will show two websites. Choose one.
That's good.
At How Can Even Get Google Sheets, and I know when you open up Google Sheets for the first time, it may very well feel like you are in the cockpit of a jet plane. Once we cover the basics, then we will advance to formulas. Or top on the right corner, you will see 9 dot. Click on it. Scroll down here, you will find Google Sheet. You can move it to top. Then click on it. Your Google Sheet will be open very soon. Here you see 5 template is already here. You can choose up to your desired work. If you click on gallery, you will find lots of template. Choose one. If you click on grid view, it show differ 3T of view. Set it on your requirement. Here you see what you want to see first. Select one. Here the file format, you can see reset file, which you opened before. In My Drive, you can find your folder and files. In here, you can see if someone shared any file with you. Then in Starred File, you can see which file you mark as star. When you are using Mac, you will face the problem to open Excel file. Then you can upload your file here and you can see your file. Click on Browser and choose your file to read this. Now I show you how to handle Google Sheet. Here see all the cell is blank. You can write anything in this sheet. So, click on the blank sheet. You can name this sheet on here. IT will be saved automatically. Okay, I write the name of my another channel sales or something. You can star your file. Star means you highlight your file. Here you can move your file to any other folder. You can see it if you are offline. Okay, let's do a simple work. Here my mouse is in cell A1, so you start from here. When my mouse cursor is cell 2, it will show A2. Then cell 3, it shows A3. I now want to start entering some data into the spreadsheets, but before I do that, over here on the top left side, I can click on this drop down and I will adjust. That will make things a little bit easier to see. Here, I can type in the header for my table. Here, I will type in sales. Then can press tab key, that will move me over cell B2. Here I will type in date. If I press enter, and that will move me to cell B2. Of course the first month of this year is January 2023, and the second month is February 2022. Hopefully Google Sheets is smart enough to follow this pattern. I will highlight both of these cells, and I highlight them. We see this blue squares in the bottom right-hand corner, and when I hover over it, my cursor changes to a plus icon. I can press on this, and then drag down to row 13, and then I will release, and I able to see here Google Sheets smartly fill up this with the all months. We can also fill this with the numbers. Follow the same pattern. Here we highlight November to February data. Then I will right-click. Then we have to go to here is the options for randomize the data. Click on that here. All of the data had randomized. Now we have to highlight this data to look easier. We'll highlight all of the numbers, and up on the top menus, there's the option for format, click on it.
That's good.
That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Like, share, and subscribe.